Dr. Sandeep Mahapatra, hair transplant surgeon at New Follicle Hair Transplant Clinic, Bangalore. Today, we are pleased to inform that our good friend Alvin has come all the way from Netherlands to do his hair transplant. So, Alvin, welcome to New Follicle.
Thank you.
So, tell me, Alvin, how did you choose us for your hair transplant surgical procedure?
Okay. First of all, I was looking for a stem cell transplant for my father, and looked around all the world, but India came out best quality, best price too. So we chose Bangalore, and while researching, I also found lots of information about stem cell for hair growth.
Restoration, yeah.
So I started like a little bit looking into that, and I already started balding when I was 18 years old, and it was a big problem for me back then, psychological problem back then. But transplant was in that area, or in that time, was not yet very possible. So, and then I came here and I thought, okay, why should I not do this? And then I researched more, and I decided to do it. So I look on the internet and Google best hair transplant doctors in Bangalore, and on all the websites,
Sandeep.
Came out top 3, and out of the top 3, I had the best feeling with you also about because of what was written, and that's how I chose you.
Sure. So it was nice hearing from Alvin regarding his research we had done. So today morning, he shared me a picture of the Superman, Chris Martin's pictures. So I intend to give him a hairline like him, if not exactly like that, but of course we are trying to give him that. And along with the hair transplant today, I have planned a stem cell regenerative hair transplant for him to increase the density of his existing hairs, so that he wants to maintain the existing hairs which has lost. So if you see closely, I have designed the hairline for him, where I've kept the hairline a little high up, as he wanted a little tapering look with a good density and a U-cum V-shaped hairline to have a natural density. And here, with a lot of thinning has happened, we have planned a hair transplant. Along with that, we will be doing stem cells hair transplant for him. What is stem cells? We'll be taking some dermal or skin stem cells from the back portion of his ear, and we'll process it through a regenerative process where we procure the stem cells from the dermal skin stem cells. And those stem cells will be processed. Once it is processed, it will be injected like a plasma, for PRP. So PRP with dermal stem cells we'll be doing today before the implantation of the graft. So as you can see, I have marked his donor area. His donor looks fine to me, and we have planned 3,000 almost grafts from his donor area, where we will be extracting follicles which are healthy in nature and cherry picking the good grafts, and not take the finer hairs, so that these hairs which will be implanted on the entire scalp looks natural, normal, and we can give him a head full of hair with maintaining his existing hairs, and of course a hairline which we have promised for him. So he's all pepped up. Pre-operative instructions have been given. He has followed meticulously. He has taken the medications. Local anesthesia test dose has been done. So after his father's stem cell treatment for some neurological or COPD ailment, today we are doing a stem cell hair transplant for Alvin. So in the next video, I'll be telling you how, of course, we exactly do the process. This is a brief about the introductory part of it. Thank you, sir.